In the WooCommerce product table plugin, you can add a product availability column to inform your customer about the stock status of the products. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to show the product availability column in your product table and how to customize it in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Open the columns page and then add the product availability element. You can find the Add a Columns button by opening the Columns tab, and then by clicking on this button, a new column with 2 boxes will be added: heading and cell content. For this tutorial, we need to click on the Add Elements option in the Cell Contents box and choose Availability from the Element Setting panel. When an availability element is added as a new item in the table column, it is possible to set it up in the General and Style tab. Alright, let's review these options separately. Step 2. Set up product availability element options. In the General tab, you can edit the cell content of the availability element for different stock statuses. Out of stock message. Here, you can set the content to inform your customers about the products that are unavailable in the shop. The plugin will automatically show the out of stock message in the cell. However, you can replace it with any other content by following these steps. You can delete the text message by clicking on Trash, and then click on the Add Element option, and then choose one of the icons from the list. For example, we're gonna go for Alert Circle, and now when the product is unavailable in your store, the alert circle will be displayed on the table column. Now let's go ahead and check out the results, and as you can see, the alert circle is displayed for unavailable products. Only one product left in stock message. You use this field when you want to show your customers that only one product is available in stock. This message can be set as an icon, text, HTML, and etc. Low stock message. You use this field to specify a threshold and then set the content to be displayed in the table when the quantity of the product is lower than the specified threshold. For example, if you type 3 in the low stock threshold number and then set a text in the left low stock message box, this message will be displayed in the cell contents of the product tables whose quantity is less than 3. In stock message. There are 2 options available for managing the cell content of in-stock products. You can show contents like in-stock text in the availability column to inform your customers about product availability without displaying the quantity left in stock. You can use the stock placeholder in the text element to display the quantity left in stock to your customers. For example, if 10 hats are available to be ordered from your shop, 10 in stock will be displayed in the availability cell in front of the hats on your product table. Now, let's say that you want to show product availability with the thumbs up icon instead of the in-stock message to your customer. In order to do this, first delete the in-stock text by clicking on the Trash button, then choose Add Element, then you're gonna click on the icon button and choose the thumbs up icon from the list. Now let's go ahead and check out the results on live preview. As you can see, the thumbs up icon is displayed in the availability column for in-stock products. On backorder message. This field is designed to let you inform your customers about the products that are expected to be back in stock soon. You can set on backorder message for both out of stock and in stock products. The steps to add an element for on backorder products are pretty much the same as the previous parts. Switch availability based on selected variations in the product table. This option is useful when you have variable products in your online store. If you mark this option, the content of the availability cell in the table will be changed based on the variable that the customer chooses. Condition for displaying availability elements in the product table column. The last section in the General tab is Condition for Element. The terms in this tab allow you to set conditions for displaying the contents of the availability cell in the table. You can find more details about how to set these conditions on our channel. Step 3. Edit Product Availability Element Styles. In the Style tab, you can find all necessary items for customizing the element's appearance in the table, such as font settings, border settings, alignment settings, and other settings.